Court TV Live, we want to take you to Boston, Massachusetts. It is the Commonwealth of Massachusetts versus celebrity chef Mario Batali. This morning, he said he didn't want a jury to decide his fate. He wants the judge. He wants a bench trial. Opening statements are beginning. Let's go in live.
The night was mostly normal until sometime after midnight when the defendant walked in. The defendant sits down at the bar just a couple seats away from Miss Teeny, and she recognized him. She recognized him as a celebrity chef, very popular, and he even was a partial owner of the big restaurant complex, food court, eatery that had recently opened next door at the Prudential Center. Miss Teeny, being a fan of Mr. Batali, tried to take a sneaky picture of him over her shoulder. When she took that picture, she got caught by the defendant taking that picture. So she went over there. After the defendant said, "Come over here," waved her over. She went over there with her phone in hand, ready to delete that picture that she'd just taken of him from down the bar. When she got over there, Mr. Batali wanted to take more pictures with her, selfie pictures. Miss Teeny obliged. She wanted to get a celebrity picture with the celebrity chef, the defendant. So Miss Teeny stands there taking selfie pictures with the defendant. But instead of just selfies, the defendant began to grope Miss Teeny's body. While he pulled her face into his face, kissing her with his left hand, his right hand groped her breast, her butt, and her crotch area. Miss Teeny was confused, she was shocked, she wasn't really sure what was going on. She noticed the defendant to be drunk at that time. He couldn't really keep his eyes open in the pictures, he was slurring a bit, and he smelled like alcohol. She didn't know what to do, being groped by a celebrity chef, someone who she'd watched on TV. She tried to take a couple more pictures, and then she put a stop to the selfies. She walked away almost immediately after, but not before the defendant invited her back to his hotel that night. She walked back to her friend, who she'd been with all night before, and said, "Let's get out of here. Pay the tab, let's go." Miss Teeny and her friend left the bar almost immediately after. That's what you're going to hear about today, Judge. What happened in the bar on April 1st, shortly after midnight in 2017. You're going to hear from Miss Teeny herself, who's going to tell you about the pictures that she took. She's going to tell you about what the pictures show from about the shoulders up and what's going on below what you can see in the picture. The defendant groping her body, her breast, her butt, and in between her legs. In addition to hearing from Miss Teeny, we're going to hear from her friend, Ms. Rachel Buckley, who was the first person that Miss Teeny told about this sexual assault about a week later, the first time she saw her in person. We'll hear from Ms. Buckley, who will tell you that Miss Teeny told her the story, what had happened to her just a few days before, that she was groped in the bar by the defendant. She was shocked, she was confused. She didn't know what to do about it at the time, she didn't know what to do about it then, but she was embarrassed. We're also going to hear about a civil suit that the alleged victim has filed in this case. She made a police report, and later she filed a civil suit after she engaged some attorneys. But we'll learn that Miss Teeny came forward with her story. She retained these civil attorneys after a barrage of media attention came out regarding the defendant, about other allegations that had been made about Mr. Batali. Those allegations first came out in December of 2017, and at that point, Miss Teeny had already told her friend, Miss Buckley, that she had been assaulted in the bar by the defendant. But she didn't know what to do. When that media story first ran in December 2017, Miss Teeny realized that this wasn't an isolated incident. She immediately contacted that news organization who published the story about the defendant, thinking that maybe they could help her tell her story. It wasn't until months later, in May of 2018, when that publication finally ran a story about Miss Teeny and what happened to her back on April 1st of 2017. That's when all the media attention started again. Miss Teeny was overwhelmed, and she got a lawyer to help her manage that. She filed a police report, and she filed a civil suit once it was explained to her what her options were. Your Honor, I would just ask you to listen to Miss Teeny today. She's going to take the stand, she's going to testify, she's going to tell you what happened to her that night, and she's going to tell you how she felt afterwards, how she was confused, how she needed to figure out, with some help, what to do. What to do after she was sexually assaulted by the defendant on April 1st, 2017. That's why, Your Honor, after you hear Ms. Teeny testify, after you hear Ms. Buckley testify at the end of this trial, I'll ask that you find Mr. Batali guilty of an indecent assault and battery. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Attorney Fuller?
Your Honor, still preview some of the evidence. I think Ricky will ask you.
All right, let's get a break in here. That was the quick opening statement from the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Mario Batali on trial decided, I don't want a jury, I want the judge to decide. It's going to move things along quite quickly, expecting just about a 1 to 2 day trial here. Watch it all play out right here on Court TV. More right after this.